you've studied the differences in brain scans between psychopaths and
neurotypical brain.
Neurotypical brain. Tell me what you saw.
I actually have my book right here. I actually wrote my master's thesis on this. This book is excellent. The Anatomy of Violence by Adrian Raine. He goes into all of it. But basically what is found is that psychopaths' brains are physically, structurally, and functionally different from non-psychopath brains. So we find that the connections in the ventromedial prefrontal cortex are not as strong. The amygdala does not respond the way it should. The insular cortex does not respond the way it should. And we can see this in comparative studies between individuals, neurotypical individuals, and those with psychopathy. We can see that on scans. We can also see it in everyday life. Psychopaths' amygdalas are less responsive, which means they don't react emotionally like neurotypical individuals do. That's why psychopaths have this low arousal level. That's why they're always seeking extreme things because they can't feel anything otherwise. So that's why they are engaging in risky behavior. They might be gambling. They might be spending lots of money. They might be having promiscuous sex. They might be using intravenous drugs. They don't have the same level of arousal as us, so they need to engage in extreme activities to get that same level.
Isn't the amygdala usually the like alert system of like fight, flight, or
yes,
they're not getting there? Like it takes a lot of stimulation.
Correct. This is why many psychopaths, functional psychopaths, because you can be a functional psychopath, functional psychopaths will choose careers such as military, bomb defusers, neurosurgeons, all of these very, very intense, high stakes careers, because that gets them excited. Nothing else does.
So like they've almost found like a DRA. It's like if someone wants to be a murderer, they should be a butcher potentially.
Yes. Yep.